Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, Banu Khuza slew a man belonging to Banu Haris in the year of the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah. For Banu Layth had killed one of the members of Banu Khuza in pre-Islamic period of ignorance. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was intimated of this event. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon got up on his she-camel and delivered the sermon saying, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu held the people of the elephant back from Makkah Mukarramah. But Allah Jalla Jalaluhu established the supremacy of His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the believers over it. Be aware, it was not declared a lawful place for fight for anyone before me, nor will it be lawful place for fight for anyone after me. And even for me, it was declared lawful only for an hour of a day. And now Makkah Mukarramah is again a sanctuary. Neither its thorns must be cut, nor its fine must be picked up, but an announcer can pick it up. And whosoever's fellow has been slain has got two options. Either the blood money will be taken or retaliation. Then a man belonging to Yemen called Abu Shah came and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, write it down for me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, write it down for Abu Shah. Then a man from the Quraysh came and submitted. Grant exception regarding izkhir, for we use it at homes and for graves. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, except izkhir. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3293.